Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and checking out my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. So when I was filming this video, I was actually talking, and that was how I wanted the video to be. But later on, when I edited the video, I just realized that the sound wasn't really clear, because the day I filmed this video, generator of sound was all over the place because there wasn't light at the moment. So I just decided to take out the sound and record the voiceover. So I've had these braids on for almost a month, and I just decided to share how I maintain my old braids. So the first thing I'm going to do is to use this rosemary oil. I have a video on my channel where I showed how I made this particular rosemary oil, and this can pass for a hair growth oil, and I really like it. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the dropper to apply the oil on my scalp. I'll just try to apply as much as I can, and then I'll just go ahead and massage it. If you have watched to this point and you're yet to like this video, kindly like the video, because when you like my videos, it helps the algorithm to push my video to more persons. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use my leave-in conditioner, and I kind of sprayed water on my hair, a little bit of water first, then I went in with the leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is from Mega Growth, I think, and I'm just going to rub that. So the curls of this hair are still defined. I mean, for hair that I've almost had on for that long, for almost a month. So the next thing I'm going to use is this oil sheen. I'm just going to spray that on my hair. It helps to give it this shine and glow that makes it look better. And after that, I'm just going to do my edges. So I'm using this edge control. I don't know if it's papaya or kaima, one of the two brands I mentioned, and I'm just going to do my edges. I'll go over it with this Moco de Gorila Smot gel. That's exactly what I do when I want a longer hold. So I'm just going to use a little bit of the gel and go over the edge control. So this will ensure that my edges don't move. Then the last thing I'm going to use a hair drop to press it down or slick it down. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share.